Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome to another demo. So in this video, I'm going to demo this really cool model by Shafer. Check it out. This is the oscillating flasher. See? And yeah, it's a really cool model. And actually, you notice I'm filming this video with my phone because my memory card for my camcorder is kind of wearing out. It's kind of broken right now. So I'm just going to film these videos with my phone for now until I get a new memory card for my camera. So yeah. But actually, I have a couple of videos saved on my computer from that. So yeah. But all right, enough with that. So let's continue with the demo here. So yeah, this is the oscillating flasher. And he didn't make a tutorial for this model, but he did put the crease pattern in his description on his baby oscillating flasher tutorial. And by the way, I made a demo of the baby oscillating flasher if you want to check that video out. Yep, and in his tutorial for that, he linked the crease patterns for the baby oscillating flasher and this model. Yep. So he made a tutorial for the baby one, but not for this one. But yeah. Well, yeah, he doesn't need to make a tutorial for this one because you can print the pattern out and fold it. And yeah, and I think it's really cool. So the square, when you open it, it rotates slightly back and forth like this. And I think it looks beautiful with the crease pattern. See? And of course, what's also cool about it is that when you open it up all the way, it can be a tent, and you can put it on the table, and you can just push it in like this. See, just like that. And also I reverse folded the corners to make it look like a star, like what he did. And yeah, see, I think it looks really awesome. Yep. And he also made a another crease pattern for an oscillating flasher tessellation, but you have to buy that one, and I'm not gonna really do that. So yeah. But if you're a member, it's free though. But yeah, but anyways, there it is. Hope you guys enjoyed the demo. Make sure you subscribe and let me know what you think. Alright, see you guys later.